Hi, this is Todd Beck from Harvest House. Summer's finally here. The orchard is beautiful and the gift shop is open for the season. Come up and enjoy lunch on our patio overlooking the orchard in Mount Spokane. We're Harvest House, the home of friendly family farm fun. Hi, I'm Todd Beck from Harvest House, inviting your family to join my family this year for peach harvest season. Peach season is here and we have a great crop of you-picked peaches and tons in the store too. We have more peaches than anyone, over 25 varieties. Come up to Harvest House and enjoy lunch or a glass of wine on our beautiful patio overlooking the orchards of Mount Spokane. Join my family for some friendly family farm fun at Beck's Harvest House.
Home of the Bend Over Peach.